Work is underway to restore power to Cuba after Hurricane Ian knocked out electricity to the entire island. Ian made landfall as a Category 3 storm on Tuesday, hitting the island's western end. The hurricane caused significant damage to homes, the electrical system, and other infrastructure. Electrical service has since returned to some customers in about a dozen provinces through generators. The Electrical Union of Cuba said Wednesday it is working to connect the national electricity system. Since passing Cuba, the storm has strengthened and is bearing down on Florida.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.